Guys, welcome to my video. I'm IRFAN and today in this video I'm going to unbox the Redmi 5. So let's unbox the Redmi 5 and see what the box contents are. So without wasting further more time, let's get started. Okay, so it has plastic has been removed and here it is written India's #1 smartphone brand, and here it is MI, and here it is Redmi by Xiaomi. And let's see the box contents. So at the back side of the box it is written that 14 inches 5.7 full screen display, LED selfie light, Snapdragon 450 and 3300 milliamp hour battery. This is the black variant of 3GB RAM and 32GB internal storage. Okay, so let's unbox the box. Yes, I unboxed with a scissor. So first of all we get a flexible cover, transparent cover. Okay, now here is our phone. Wow, we'll talk about this later. And what is inside the box? So it is a user manual. Okay, and in the box we get adapter, USB type A cable, SIM ejector tool, and the box is empty now. So here is the Redmi 5. Let it boot up. Just remove this thing. And so the back camera, it is the 12MP rear camera and with flash and with a fingerprint sensor, and here is the branding of MI. And look at downside, it is the USB type A and the speakers are there, and here upper side is headphone jack, 3.5mm jack, and
keep accessibility cancelled,
and it is booted up. And let me first run the setup. So let's check how the fingerprint sensor it comes with. Okay, so it's done. It's about 1 to 2 seconds and it's done. So it is the very fast process of this fingerprint sensor. Hats off. Okay, so the setup has been completed and let's see the UI of the phone. It has been booted up, and as you can see this is Redmi 5. Let's go to the settings and head up to the on about phone and let's check. So the Android version it comes with its Nougat. Android security level is the January 1, 2018. RAM is 3GB and it comes with octa-core max processor with 1.80 GHz. Internal storage is 32GB, and yes, this is the Redmi 5. So let's check the camera of Redmi 5. So the camera quality of this phone is, as you can see, it is very good. So let's see the front camera of this Redmi 5, and as you can see, the front camera looks very beautiful and it captures very good. So that was the camera of Redmi 5, and it comes with the curved screens. As you can see, it comes with the curved screens. Yes, and it has the basic MIUI over here. Okay, so so on here it comes with a tempered glass. As you can see, the tempered glass is on Redmi 5. So guys, that's it for this video. Hope you like this unboxing video, and if you like this video, press the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.